this video, we are going to show you how to transfer an Emergent AI project to another account. Now, that's whether on another Emergent account or another platform, same thing. So as you can see here, we just created a simple note-taking app for mobile. And as you can see, it also has a calculator. So as you can see, it works pretty cool, right? So I explicitly said in this prompt specifically, right, that it needs to give me a downloadable tab and a non-GitHub tab, which is expo.dev project page, right, and an iOS launch option, right. So this option has, as you can see here, we have key files that we can download. There we go. These are the key files we can download from this project. That's how you can actually transfer. So download the source code. You can do VS Code, or you can just do manually. You can actually ask agent here to provide me the code itself so I can copy paste it. You can do that, which it's going to give you the code very easily. Or as you can see here, we already have a download tab that we just need to follow the instructions, right? Another way, for the more experienced people, you can just go have your GitHub connected and transfer it that way through GitHub. So those are the two ways to do so. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.